Hello, and the next Happy Mail is this month's Planner Society kit. Ignore the cat toy tweeting in the background. So let's take it out of the box and see what it is. Love the colors. I've already seen like sneak peeks and everything, and I am pretty excited to get this kit. You know, I'm like a 3-year-old. I like all things that's pretty. Pinks is one of my favorite colors. So we'll start with, I'm saving the bags because I really like the pattern on this. So let's start with the paper. It's always a little bit hard to open because I want to make sure that I don't tear nothing up. So, or scratch it all up, something I might want to use later. Having all kinds of issues. Wow. Alrighty, I think I finally got it. Yay me. Alright. So now this is double-sided, and it does come with like 6 sheets. So this would be your first one, and the back of it. Very pretty floral patterns on both. So there's those two. So we'll set them here. And then the second would be this pink and blue butterfly, and then the same pattern as the bag. Gorgeous. And so now this one is okay. I mean, it's pretty, but it's probably not something that I'm going to use when I fold something. It would probably be that pattern. But that's just me. Oh, I really like this one. You get stars and it's foiled, and then the back is kind of like a crystal. So those are very pretty. And then let's get something white here. Alright, so here is the vellum, and it's blue with the blue butterflies. Here is the second vellum. It's one of the planner girls, and she has wings. Very pretty. I like both of those. And then the third vellum is the one pattern sheet. And then there are 2 acetates. It's like the fairy girl from behind. Very pretty. And then the floral pattern. This is gorgeous. Love it. So, paper, acetate, and vellum this month are stunning. They are very pretty. So there's all those. So we'll set those aside. And here is the first washi. It's a mix of the girls, the one standing, and then the girl from behind. And the second washi is the same floral pattern as the bag. Then you've got the floral pattern, but it's kind of done in blue. And it's a diamond sparkly pen. And you twist it to get it out. Very nice. It's Fairy Girl sticky notes. Here are the clips. They're like butterfly bows. Pretty. Ooh, here is the charm. This is gorgeous. It's got an attachment to make it longer. Here it is, all stretched out. It's got 2 flowers and a bow. Extremely pretty. I really like that. Then you have your tabs and stickers. And they're all gold this month. And all the tabs Just the floral, the same patterns as the paper, just usually a little bit smaller. So there's those. Looks like there's shakers this month. Oh, very pretty. So here's this one. This is Follow Your Dreams. I like that one a lot. And this one says Good Vibes Only. Very pretty. And then we have some cards. Be wild and free. Take the road less traveled. I almost thought it said wad there for a second. Oops. Think happy thoughts. I love this new calligraphy, but sometimes it's a little hard for me to read. Beautiful minds inspire others. Oops, I dropped them. And then there is a pocket. So it's just clear with the beautiful floral pattern. I like those a lot. Those shakers are just gorgeous. So there's those. And then we have this sheet of floral puffy stickers. Very pretty. And we have die cuts. And this is another kit that I think you get an awful lot for your money. It's, I think, $30.90 a month. I just get the main kit. I don't get the extra washi kit or the extra stickers. But I think you get a lot for your money, because there's just such a variety of different things. I just have to get better at actually using it. So the first die cut is a fairy girl. And I hope it's focusing in on these. Here's a slightly smaller fairy girl. The fairy girl from behind. Smaller fairy girl. And another fairy girl. These, she's slightly bigger than the other two. Here is a moon with like crystals dripping from it. A butterfly. A triangle with feathers. Looks like it's made out of wood. Some fairy lights. A small fairy girl. A planner. Oops. A pretty pink bird. I'm going to just slightly... Oh, my light just moved. There we go. Alright, let's see, where were we? Flowers. A succulent, hens and chickens. Another fairy girl. A succulent in the like one of the clear glass holders. I'm not sure what they call those. Here's like another hens and chicken, but it's like a pink color. A gorgeous pink butterfly. Another pretty feather. A small pink butterfly. Florals. Pink florals. Like a traveler's notebook. A very small fairy girl. A purse. Like a footstool. Another traveler's notebook. Like a planner bag. Oops, I dropped it. I think that's a planner bag. Not 100% sure. Maybe I'm holding it wrong. But it looks like it's hanging from a hook, so maybe it's just floral decoration. A blue butterfly. Some more florals. And a pair of feet. So there's all the die cuts this month. And then last but not least, we'll look over the little stickers. I think they're stickers. They usually are. Alright. So let's see what they look like. Alright. So these are like all your deco stickers. It's a lot of the same patterns as the die cuts, but they're a lot smaller. And there's a few extras, like the hat is not a die cut. There's some more succulents and like hanging lanterns. Here's some arrows and more birds and florals, more planters. Fairy girl stickers and butterflies. And there is a stupid fly that has gotten in here. I'm going to have to chase that stupid thing down. Here's some more fairy girls. Gorgeous. I love these fairy girls. And then some more stickers. And that is this month's Planner Society kit. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.